I bought a bunch of these. Out of glue drops. What am I even doing? You can see a lot of images in here, different types of images, and that looks so good. 45 minutes later, we have this, a pencil sketch, and now my hands are paining really bad. Okay, this is the exciting part. I have my brushes. I'll be using acrylic paint. This is my first time doing calligraphy on walls, so it's going to be exciting. I can assure you that these are not tangled right now. Let's try put them there. I hope glue drops can hold them. We'll see about that. It worked! Also, there were a few nails up in there, so I could not resist myself putting one in there. I'm obsessed with vines. I think I should stop now. I bought this neon sign from Amazon. This one's the cheapest that I could find. You can use batteries or the USB with this one. Guys, look at this.
Baby, I'm bad, yeah. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious. I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad.